If you are looking to install epoxy garage floors, then Amazing Garage Floors Kansas City, located in Olathe, Kansas, is the place to go. At Amazing Garage Floors Kansas City, we are dedicated to providing our clients with a premium epoxy garage floor installation service. We use diamond grinding to prepare the concrete before installing our floors so that the best results are achieved. With epoxy garage floors, you can increase the value of your home and make your garage more attractive at the same time. Our work is built to last and will withstand use for years and decades. We finish the work in one day so you do not have to worry about a lingering service experience. Your vehicles can be returned to the garage about 12 hours after the installation is finished. Visit our website at amazinggarageFloors.net/Kansas-City or give us a call at 913-901-7139 for more information.